Hello, hello. I just now realized that I could do videos much closer up, and I just realized it today. I was I was today years old when I realized that I could go closer, actually like make the camera be closer. I'm like, oh my god. Now I know everybody else is doing it. Okay, I'm touching up my makeup, and I have an Avon Glimmer Stick lip lining pencil, and I'm gonna quickly do that. And then I always like to go over and do a little higher Cupid's bow. And then I got another mirror over here. Go a little lower here. I go a little higher up here than my natural lip line, just because I don't really have as much of an upper lip compared to my lower. Here I just go a little lower, and I don't even need to go across, okay? But this is like my new thing. This is an Essence lipstick, Essence 10 Naughty, okay? In Naughty. And go over it, and I go over that line, and I blend it in a little bit. And it's so pretty. So pretty. Then I have this, it was a VDL in a stick that I depotted. Okay, it's a VDL lip and cheek color that's in this really gorgeous pinky gold. But I depotted it. I depotted it. It's so pretty. Look at that. So pretty. And what I did was to save space, because it's in a long tube that has like a square on one end and like the tube end on the other. It took up a lot of space, so I depotted it. And it's like my new favorite thing. But I did like a soft look today with corals and golds. And then instead of where I usually do my usual black, I did with the outer V, or I call it the W, I did a blue. I did a turquoise blue, using the original Michaela Glam Light palette. I did that earlier, off camera, and I've been filming a lot of different kinds of content. I have more organizing content, and I have a little bit of bronzer still left on this brush. I have filmed some organizing content for you all. I've got a, which I'll post here, but I also have a longer form video of my Ulta haul, my latest Ulta haul. So check those things out. Anyway, hope you all are doing well. We are 6 inches of snow over here in the DC area, and extremely cold. So we are making it through. But anyway, I hope you are safe and warm where you are, and have a great evening. Take care. Thanks. Bye.